Hello everyone, thank you for tuning back into Fishing with Austin. I'm here today with a telescopic fishing pole review. I got this off of Amazon. I think it was like 75 or 80 bucks. And already I'm liking the case. It's got a nice grip on it. Not bad. A nice hard foam case. What is this? Sougayilang. 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 Let's get this puppy open. And now the moment you've all been waiting for. Cool. What do we got here? They sent me some braided line. I thought it was going to be monofilament. Sougayilang braided line, 33 pound. I have to give it a try. It looks good. I like the color of it. We got some instruction manuals that came with it. I probably will never look at those or open those ever. Get out of there. This thing has little pockets so you can keep all your lures in. What do we got here? Let's open this puppy up. Open up. Get out of there. What do we got? A cool little froggy thing, bob. A really cool looking rattle trap. We got a spoon, okay? And we got some of these things, whatever these are. I don't really know what they are, but they'll work. I'll catch fish on them, believe me. Here we are to the reel. I'm spinning it. It's smooth. I don't hear any coarse grinding of the gears on the inside, so that's always a good sign. Let's get a handle on this buddy. I bought this specifically because it had a foam ball handle. I didn't want one of those hard plastic ones. I want something that's comfy in my hand, you know. So let me put this on here and then give her a couple turns. One thing you can admire about this reel is the quality. It's smooth. It reels good. This feels great in my hand. And yeah, it sounds good. It's got some numbers on it on the drag, which I don't really know what that means. Oh, it's the pounds and lines and yards. Whoops. And it's got the switch on the front so you can go forwards or backwards. Oh, I guess not. I guess it doesn't go forwards or backwards. Oh, this way does. So that's backwards. This is forwards. Feels good. And look, when you switch it back to normal and you try to go back up against the gears, there's hardly no slip, if at all any slip. So that's always a good sign. That's always something I want to look for in my spinning reels, is if it goes back or not. It doesn't want to go back, so nice. I like that. Let's break the pole out and put it on there. All right, well the pole is Velcroed into here. My friend's, which is on my channel, his is like, it goes into the case. It's not like, I don't know, you strap it onto the case. It's in a bag, a nice carrying bag, so. Oh, I like the color of it. Look at that. That's clean. It feels good. Sougayilang. High tensile strength. All right, well, I can't get this off on my own with one hand, so. Oh, maybe I can. If there's a will, there's a way. There you go. Whoosh. No, not gonna work. All right, 1 second. So I got it extended all the way out, and this thing feels good. It feels all right. It's a stiff rod, that's for sure. It's got a little bit of a give. It feels good. This is a stout rod. This feels good in my hands. And now we're gonna put the reel in there. So I'm gonna go up first, screw it on. Nope, not that way. The foam or whatever they use on this feels good. It feels like it's good quality. It's got a good handle. This is pretty good to be a telescopic pole. If you walked up to someone and told them this was a, I don't know how many piece pole, like it's telescopic, it can fit in this foam suitcase over here, I wouldn't believe them. I'd believe that this is a pretty sick pole. I can't wait to go fishing with it. I need to make a video on this thing. Yep, it's got great brakes on it. I like it. Yeah, that's the review on it, I guess. This is definitely worth the buy. I haven't caught any fish on it yet, but as far as craftsmanship and everything, this thing checks out with me, to be honest. So this is what it looks like with all the line on it that came with it. Fills it out about 3/4 of the way. This thing just feels good. Just locking it in, closing and opening the bail. It's quick, it's sharp, and it's strong. Then I'm reeling it. It's smooth, it feels all right. It casts pretty good. It feels good on the pole. I can bend the pole, durable. I'm not gonna worry about it breaking because it's excellent craftsmanship for sure, whoever made it, but this is a nice pole. Definitely worth the money. I'm just sitting over here casting in the house, letting this cat chase the lure around. Thanks everyone for watching, and if there's anything else you want me to review on Amazon or off Amazon on YouTube, feel free to let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Like and sub and share and all the other good stuff. Thanks for watching Fishing with Austin.